Well, here we go. I've been wanting to take some video of this old girl for quite a while. Been looking at this old cat for years. Took some still pictures a bunch of years ago. Been here several times. Been here a long time. There's a bunch of garbage and debris here that wasn't here before. So from what I'm told, it's an old Terex or Euclid, depending on what era it was from. Not an expert on when they switched from Euclid to Terex. So you can see, obviously, it's a cable blade. It's got Detroit in it. Luckily for me, there's less bush around here than there was last time here. Where I'm standing right now, it was full of salal and prickles and everything else, and it's nicely cleared out. I know that a bunch of years ago, Billy Griffiths, he's since passed away, but he was talking about grabbing this thing and taking it up to the Egmont Museum, where they have those cool Letourneau electric drive logging truck and a skidder up there. This would make a great addition. It'd be kind of nice to move it without scraping any of the moss off. I don't know. Looks pretty cool. Great garden ornament for somebody who wanted to lift this thing out of here. See if I can jump up on top here without slipping and falling, without disturbing things too much. So I'm not as knowledgeable as Skidil about this stuff, so I can't tell you too much about the years, the makes, the models, whoever sat in the seat last. It's probably a beast in its day. Obviously, had your hands full operating all the levers, clutches, everything else, making this thing go and get the blade to go up and down. The old screaming Detroit sitting out front. Got a bit of like artwork on the roof here with the peeling paint coming off. Looks like arbutus bark. Big sheets of paint. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Lots of overspray on here. Obviously somebody took a can of yellow paint to it when it was a runner. Decorated her up. It's pretty neat. Somebody driving by wants to have a look and see what I'm doing. Be pretty neat with the this big blade on here. It's probably a workhorse in its day. See if I can get a different angle over here. So there's the bush around us. I get the feeling somebody's coming back for a look-see. It's pretty neat. The good part too is we're away from the rain that just passed through here a little while ago. Well, here we go. Somebody wants to say something.